let's talk about Google Docs. You're used to using word processors and spreadsheets and maybe PowerPoint on your own computer. Google Docs does the same thing, except it's done online. Everything is stored at Google. The applications are running from their website. Your files are stored there. A couple of advantages to that. One is you can get to your files from anywhere. If you have web access, you can create a file and you can edit that file. The second really powerful thing about that is that you can share that file with other people. If you've ever tried to write a report or a paper with a group of people, it's impossible, man. I mean, you're trying to send this file back and forth, between everybody in the group via email, and nobody knows what's going on. What's the latest version? With Google, everybody logs into the same file. You can track their edits. When you're done, you can take this one file, you can print it, you can save it, you can publish it on a website, whatever. So really powerful stuff. So let's get you started. You'll have to sign into Google, and you need to get into Google Docs. So if you don't have an account at Google, it's free. Go ahead and just sign up for one. Let's click the More tab. We'll go down to Documents, and then we'll sign in. If you have a Gmail account, that'll work well. Now, I've got several files here, so your window's going to be empty. That's what we're going to work on. So how do you create a new file? Go to Create New. You can do a word processing document. You could do a PowerPoint kind of a presentation, a spreadsheet, and a form. We're going to talk about forms another time because they're really powerful for getting like instant feedback in class or collecting data in the field. It's amazing, but we'll hold that for another time. For right now, let's create a new word processing document. So Google will open up the new document, and you'll see familiar menus and formatting options and things like that. And we'll write something very profound here. We'll give it an even more profound title. Google automatically saves it in the background. Remember, this is not on your desktop. I mean, it's all back at Mama Google. They'll keep it for you. So if we click on Google Docs, you'll see it's added to the list of documents that I have. And then I can do a few things with it. If I check the box here, I can work with folders. I can put it into a folder. I can delete it, rename it, and share it. That's the really powerful thing we're going to talk about, sharing documents. So how do you share a document? You can select the document with a checkbox, or just open it by clicking it. And we'll click Share. A couple different ways of doing this. One is, do you want to track who does what edits, or do you just want to let a lot of people get in and edit the document? It just kind of depends. So let me show you the easy way here. They're both easy. Get the link to share. So if you check allow anyone with this link to view it and to edit, copy and paste this link into an email message, send it to whoever you want. They click that link, it goes right to the document, and they can edit. Now, they haven't signed in, so Google doesn't know who's done what. But that's one way of doing it. The other way is to invite people. Now, especially if they have Google accounts, use their Google email address, whatever email address they use to sign into Google. So we'll invite a few people here. And if I click Send, it sends a link to the document. It adds them to the sharing list of this document. So when they sign in, they can get to the document, they can make edits, and their name shows up. So you know who's done what. One more option. If you want them to sign in or not, you can set it so that they don't have to sign in. You can say, let people edit without signing in. And again, Google can't track who does what, but at least they can get in. They don't have to sign into a Google account to do it. So that's sharing. And that's pretty much it. What do you do when you're done with your document? Well, let's open our document back. Here, yeah, it's finished. So let's go to File. You can print it, of course, or you can download it in a variety of formats, including PDF and Word and things like that. The other option, if we go way over here to the Share tab, It's not a tab for you geekies out there, but just deal with it. Publish as web page. And then you can send that link to people and everyone can see the finished document. They can't edit, but everyone can see the posted document, whatever that is. And that's pretty much that. So that's basically getting into Google Docs. Get started, have fun.